What's up, y'all? So here's the new update, another update on the Sony ZS-7. So I got the amplifier chip, it's chipped, and it's here now. I replaced it, and hey,
One-point game in the closing seconds. Nova trailing.
it's got sound. Hell yeah! And actually, after I replaced the amplifier, I realized that there is actually bass. I'm gonna show you a little bit of that later. There is actually bass. So I was right. Originally, the original amplifier original amplifier chip is already in there. It's probably half blown. I just blew it completely. So, tape deck works. Both of them works. This one has a dirty tip, so the treble is lacking. Ooh, and close that. And whereas this one sounds perfect. It's probably one of the best tape decks I've heard, other than in a boombox. Basically, it sounds really nice. It's really like it sounded. To be honest, it actually sounded better than some of the CDs. So shows that how good the circuits is inside. And another problem that appeared was after I replaced the backlight. After I replaced the backlight, uh, it just started flickering and turned off eventually. So I would have to look into that and fix it. It's probably a connection issue, or it's probably the transistor that's driving the original light bulbs. That's just failed because, like I said, the whole thing was getting an extra few volts before. So I'm assuming that could also be the case, the reason why the backlight stopped working. So I have to look into that. But if all that doesn't work out, I couldn't find a way to fix it or whatever. I could just hook every little LED in here to the operational bat. This LED. This LED is 2.3, I'm assuming. 2.3 to 2.5 volts, so it should be enough to drive YLEs inside. It doesn't have to be really bright, though. Anyways, if that still doesn't work, I will hook it to a 12 volt source wherever in this speaker, the amplifier maybe. The amplifier is taking 12 volts, that is for sure. I just don't want to short anything else, but I'm pretty sure that's taking 12 volts. The amplifier VCC and the amplifier ground. That's definitely 12 volt. If I hook it up to that, this will work. Okay, that's a little enough of that. I am going to do a quick tape demo, and then I am going to do a quick FM demo, an AM demo. You're already seeing the AM demo, so I don't think I have to do any of that. But let's move on to the tape. Let me get a tape. All right, so we're playing UB40 today. So this is the side where the treble is kind of a problem. Everything works just fine. Let me put that aside so I don't drop it. All right, this side sounds a lot better than the other. I don't have anything to test the recording because I don't have a tape that could be recorded. I don't want to record over the UB40 tape. That's the only tape I have, to be honest. As of now, I'm living in a dorm, by the way. But yeah, you can see it works. I also tried a little bit of Dolby in there. I'm going to show you that. Dolby NR just makes it a little bit muffled. So I don't know if it's what Dolby NR really is, if it really actually sucks, but at least in this machine, that is a useless feature. It makes it sound like shit. Counter reset works fine. The direction mode, to look at that. Look, also works fine. I already said the EQ is fine. I already have it on. I had it set to rock. You can set it to different modes to flat. You can even define your own user EQ. DSP also works just fine. So basically, the only problems left is the backlight and the CD and the reception, because there is a solder joint that's loose. Right, I'm gonna do the taped. I'm sorry, the AM.
Specific, maybe news or decision. There will be no news today.
This is AM. This is AM.
I just got out of a 12-day.
So yeah, as you can see, it works. The only thing for the AM is because it's a 9 kilohertz step, so it's not really suitable for US use, because in the US, and also in Taiwan, by the way, it's a 10 kilohertz step. So most of the machines that are exported are 10 kilohertz step. And as of now, I haven't found a switch to toggle it to 10 kilohertz. I doubt there is, because it's a Japanese-only model, so I don't think there's any of that. Anyways, to the CD. It opens, it closes. Once I put a CD in it, it does try to read. However, it always shows up no disc, and it takes quite a while to read, by the way. See, no disc. It always shows up as no disc. I saw a comment on my previous video. They said that the laser is burnt out. That could be one of the possibilities. Another possibility is probably just the lens being dirty, which I hope that is the case, because that's the really easy fix. Other than that, I don't really know. I feel like the logic circuit in this is fine, because the tray is coming out. If the logic circuit is dead, the tray won't be coming out anyways. But I feel I don't hear any motor noises when I have a disc in there, or just very slight laser moving noises. So maybe that main motor isn't spinning, or maybe the laser isn't working. I don't know. I'll have to take it apart and see. I haven't dug into the CD just yet, so I have no idea. Anyways, also the right side issue, the right side cutting in and out issue is fixed. And I guess I was right. It was that amplifier. It was that amplifier being disconnected. So I fixed all of that. And after I fixed the disc and cleaned up the little this and that stuff that's still not perfect, I got a fully working ZS-7. And it's a really nice box. So if I could do that, I'll do a full demo. If I can't do that, I'll still do a demo, but just without the CD. So there you have it.